Hi, this is a very quick video on how to change the battery in a Range Rover or Land Rover key fob of this design. There are others on YouTube that you could consult. I'm also going to give you a tip about the batteries, which I'll start with. The battery you want for the key fob is a CR2032. Now from the main dealer they'll charge you probably £6, £7, £8, £9, maybe even £10. Even an auto store like Halfords or a camera shop, they're going to be expensive. Off the shelf in Tesco's they're £4. I got these 8 from Poundland, so I paid £1 for 8 batteries. Now I'm not going to use them all, but I've saved myself some money. So go to your local Poundland, or even on eBay, they're £2.25, £2.20 delivered on eBay, and get yourself 8 of these. And they pretty much cover all remote key fobs, watches, cars, back calculators and torches, that sort of thing. Useful to have around. 8 for £1, can't go wrong. Now onto the fob itself. Very simple to do. You take your fob, like so, and where the hazard marker is, you slide this silver or stainless steel piece away from it, like so. When you do that, okay, you expose the emergency key. You remove the emergency key by sliding it away, unfold it, and in order to separate the fob, you don't have to stick your fingernail or a blade or anything in here, or a screwdriver. You take the emergency key and you place it into this hole here, which is marked with the small white semicircle. Now this will separate the fob when you twist it like so. Okay. You then split the fob in half by just prising it away, and you replace the battery by putting a fingernail under between the copper contact and the battery itself, slide it out, put it back in, put your new one in. As you can see, it's a Kodak CR2032 in this. Now to put it back together is a simple reversal. You take your fob half, and it's a bit fiddly at this point, you place it over there and you line the holes up like so. You have to exert quite a bit of pressure putting it together, and it will snap shut like that. Very positive, you hear that. You then replace your emergency key, which is for the door should the key fob fail, by folding it back and simply sliding it back into place like that. Yeah. You then take your stainless steel back on the key fob, place it together. You might have to move the emergency key a little bit and slide it down. And there you go, that is the battery replaced. You don't have to press any buttons to reset it, it automatically will work straight away, it's just a battery replacement. So I hope you like that. That's for a Range Rover Evoque, this type of key fob. If you like that, please give me a thumbs up. I've got loads of videos about my classic Mitsubishi Lancer, some airline videos, all sorts of stuff on my channel. Give us a sub, it'd be great to get some more subscribers. Give us a like. If you saw me make any mistakes, let me know why. If you want me to do some more videos, tell me what you want me to do videos of. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It's a big shout out to all my friends and subscribers. Siamiam, check his channel out. It's down in the description in very cold Alaska. And yeah, take care, drive carefully, and thanks for watching.